Hi everyone, Anita here. How is everybody? Okay, today I received my ThredUp box. I purchased this because recently I've been seeing a lot of videos where they do boxes with handbags, jewelry, and clothing. Since I don't really hold a lot of handbags, and I do have too much jewelry. I decided to get the clothing one. This one is the size medium large, and this one was $50 for 10 items, size medium large and premium. So this is the premium box. So let's see what's in here. I guess the premium means that there's going to be better quality items in there, or I'm not sure what that means, but we're going to open up and see. And as we open them, I'm going to go ahead and search them up and see what they're worth and what they're about. So let's start. Okay. It's still sealed. Where's my scissor now? Okay, here it is. I will be stopping the video to do checks on them and see what they are. See if it's worth it. If it's not, we'll see. Okay. Oh boy, it's hard to open. Okay. And give me a second. Let me open this, guys. Hang on. Okay, guys. So I opened it up. There's like an invoice in here that says reject box premium mixed clothing, $50. Okay. And it does look nice inside, so they did put tissue paper and wrap it up, close it nicely. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I saw something I like. Hang on. Sunflowers. Okay. It's a dress. This is pretty, but this isn't gonna fit me. And what's this here? It's a tag. I guess the tag is missing, but I guess this is on here because it hasn't been worn. It's by Cran Fur. I don't know. This is what it says. Okay, but it is nice. It's like it has a skirt underneath and it's sheer on the bottom. So hang on, let me stand up. That's pretty. Well, this ain't gonna fit me, so this is probably the medium. So what? Oh, it is not. It's the large, but this is a really small large. So give me a second, guys. I'm gonna look up this brand and let you know what it is. Hang on. Okay, guys. Obviously, it's a brand that I didn't know and I've never heard of before, and I was saying it wrong. It's called. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's spelled Kanfei. And it was very hard to locate, and I did find one in eBay, but not the same one, a different dress in pink color that they're selling for $40. So it's not anything popular, and nothing special. So let's move on to the next. But it is cute. So let's see what else we have. Okay. Another top by Anna. I hope it's focusing. Okay, there we go. And this one is size medium, size large. Anna. Okay, it's in good condition. It's not bad, it's sheer, but let's see what this one is about. Give me a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Oh, okay, so this one here is not a very good brand either. And I did find something in black color that they're selling for $2.99. So yeah, this was not good either. So let's see what's next. Sorry about the focus. Okay. It's a blue shirt. And this one is by Blue Pepper in size large. Okay, let's see the tag here. Oh, can you guys see it? There. Okay. Give me a second to look this one up too. Okay, guys. So I found similar items to this as well, and they go for about $3 to $12, about that price range. So, but I did smell it, and it looks like that they have washed it and it is clean. So let's move on to the next. What in the world is this? Hold on. Oh, I hate things like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is like uniform style. And it's a navy too. Oh, Lauren. It's a Ralph Lauren brand. And size 10. And it has pleated skirt. Very unattractive. I don't know. I would not wear this, but I'm gonna look it up and see how much things like this go for. Give me a second. Okay, so dresses like this by Ralph Lauren go for about $27 all the way up to 40, depending on the condition. And this one isn't pretty good. I'm gonna smell them. It's okay. It's in good condition, and it's just something that I would not wear. Other than that, it's okay. So let's see the next one. Sorry, guys, I look like a mess today, but when I saw it in the mail, I wanted to open it up for you guys. We have pants here by Investments. Investments and gray color, gray pants. Very unattractive. They should specify in here what age group you're in, because I would not wear these. I don't know. Well, maybe if I worked in an office or something. I don't know. Anyway, so let's see how much these are worth. Give me a second. Okay, so basically the prices is worse than what it looks like. They go for about $3 to $11, so nothing special. Off to the next. Okay. We have this top here by, if I can see it, blue. Oh my God, it's very worn. I can't see. Blue Raven. It looks like Blue Raven. I can't really read it. Can you? Okay. Again, in this tacky color here. Hang on, guys. Okay, so it's Blue Rave. And I did find similar items, and they go for about $5 to $8. And this one's probably going to go for less because it's very worn. Move on to the next. Okay, this one I do like because I love this color, and I like how it's like the way it crosses over. It's cute. This one is by Express, and this one is the size medium. And Express is not, I don't even have to look it up. They're not very pricey. They go for about $8 to $15 again. The most, that is. So, yeah. Next. Okay, I see some kind of jeans here with the tag on here. Okay, let's see. Has little tears in it and has tag and some kind of police. What is this here? This is it's a diary. Okay, what brand is this though? Please. Is that what the brand is? Please? I love Please. Okay, so never ever heard of it ever. So I'm gonna look it up, and I honestly don't like the style of it because it has pleats over here. I don't like pleats in jeans. I don't think anybody does. And it does have the little, you know, the little cuts over here, which make it more fashionable. But let me look it up and see what this is, guys. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I did find these. They go for about $18, and the ones that I saw that were sold did not have pleats. So, I don't know. Okay, what size was it? Let's see. Let's see, the size 12. All right, let's see what else we have. What in? Okay, skirt and some kind of what colors are these? Brown, blue, yellow. Very busy pattern, but it's by Calvin Klein. So size 10, Calvin Klein skirt. So give me a second on that. Let's see. Okay, so basically Calvin Klein skirts are about $9 that they're selling online for similar items like this. Next, okay, we have this lace and it has a nude lining underneath by, where'd it go here? Oh, wrong way. Studio M, and it's not bad, it's cute. I actually like this one. Okay, Studio M, and it's like long on the sides and shorter in the middle. So, but I really do like this one. This is something I would wear. So give me a second. Okay. So Studio M skirts go for about $8 to $12 online. But I will keep this one because I like this one. Okay, so let me see. Overall, I don't like this. This is something that I don't even know what to do with. I have no idea what to do with this one either. Probably sell it. I don't know. I like this one, but this one is a medium size. It's going to be pretty tight. I don't know. I don't know if my daughter will like it. This is a no also. I don't like this one either. And this one is probably the only one that I'm going to end up selling really fast because this obviously a lot of people like this, but I personally do not. This one, I don't know about this one. This is a no again. And out of everything in here, I like this cute dress with the little flowers underneath. I think this is nice. This will be nice for next summer. I'll keep this one, and I will keep the skirt. Is it worth $50? I'm gonna say no. I would not. No, it's not worth $50. Maybe 25 or 30, but not 50. So if to buy another one, also I would say no. So my thoughts on these boxes are that for me, I would not buy another one. I'm gonna try the jewelry one, but as far as I'll try and get the jewelry one and see what's in there. But as far as another clothing one, I will not buy one. I hope you guys had fun. If you're interested in any of them, let me know. But dress and the lace skirt, I'm keeping for myself. I hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.